I'm a big dog, little nigga, yeah, use a pump. You must not heard that, cause that little nigga give a fuck. I can have your whole gang gon' get by the night. Yeah, I walk around with extensions, cause niggas
start the vlog off just like this. You know what I'm saying? We watching these dogs, man. They dirty and everything, man. So they need these niggas real dirty, boy. Get them in the back. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Y'all see what's going on. Come here. Y'all see the boat. Y'all see the film. Come here, bro. It's the struggle too, bro. These niggas right here. See. Don't shake, bro. But yeah, man, I ain't got nothing going on for real. I just had to buy me a come here, King. Chill out, bro. I just had to buy me a new alternator for my whip. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. Hey, Cole, I feel like the biggest in the shit.
Yeah, I'm the biggest. A young nigga really in the city, come and get with me. A young nigga really in the city, stack every penny. A young nigga really in the city, trying to get plenty. A young nigga really in the city, want what you got. A young nigga really in the city, peeping your plot. A young nigga really in the city, see what you not. A young nigga really in the city, trying to get on. A young nigga really in the city, bringing it home. Put my niggas on.
Man, I'm currently sitting here right now, bro, trying to edit these videos, bro, but this stuff is taking forever, bro. Like, what's going on, man? This thing taking forever, man. I'm chilling in the room, y'all, so don't mind the little, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm chilling in the room, man. Trying to edit these videos, ain't nothing going on. Waiting on this, waiting on our little mechanic to get here. Yeah, so work on the whip, put that alternator in for me. You know what I'm saying? Let me check the time. Uh-oh. Check out that picture though, man. Y'all need to dig it. But it's 1:02 in the afternoon, man. Waiting on them. Editing this video. And yeah. It's still tweaking though, bro. Y'all niggas. Yeah, man, but that's a little update on what's going on, man. I got done watching the dogs and all that. You know what I'm saying? We got done with the dogs and stuff. And yeah, so y'all just stay tuned. Finna go grab some food, a little bite to eat right after I take my shower and all that. And yeah, man, so y'all just stay tuned. Y'all say, y'all know the business, MURRDA. Yeah, man, we good up, we good up, we good. But y'all get it, man. No cap, I'm just bored right now. Just really, y'all say, I'm really just bored. But y'all need to stay tuned, man. Hold on, let me show y'all some of my favorite pieces of the room, though. You know what I'm saying? Long live law forever, this dead age right here. Long live law, long live law. You know what I'm saying? This mine right here, you know what I'm saying? Got that Eagles green, you know my boy from Philly, you know what I'm saying? Long live my boy, man. Got the Roku town in the background. And hey, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I been seeing some posts and stuff on Facebook when they had the chair on there. So I'm finna see if they actually got a chair on one of these boats. So y'all go see it together. We go see it together. If they actually got a chair on this boat, nigga, that's real crazy. Oh God. I just can't remember what boat, but it was a chair on that whole one of the photo chairs. Y'all know what happened up there, Alabama, when that nigga was fighting and all that on that boat. But we gonna see if they got a what's the name up here. Check out that picture too, man. Y'all let them know the business, man. Yeah, y'all get it. I think that's the boat right here. Let me see if they got a chair on there. Let me see if they. Let me see, y'all. We gonna see if I don't know if that's the one, but ain't no boat, ain't no chair on this boat right there. Ain't no chair on that boat. But I know y'all niggas tired of watching this cause yeah. Yeah, man, so y'all saying your boy got a little drip on, nothing too crazy, y'all saying, just a little black and red, y'all saying, Art by Mayo on the shirt. Y'all get it, y'all know the business. Got the dogs in here, man. We bought those some nets and stuff, but you know how that go, man. Cause they got little bugs and stuff biting them, so we bought the nets to prevent that from happening. But these niggas, they chewed all through the nets and everything, so that's why they cage and all that look like that, man. They chilling right now. I'm finna let them out before I head out. Finna let them out before I go. Then go grab us a bite to eat, man. Y'all go use the bathroom, man. Yeah, though, man. Y'all stay tuned till we get to the restaurant, man. Y'all know bros know the business. That they coming along with us, y'all saying. Go grab something to smack on. Finna crack my card right quick. Ooh, we is hot in here, boy. I swear it's so hot. Yeah, though, man, y'all stay tuned till we go to the restaurant. Cause yeah, MWRDA going up for sure. We going crazy, we going dumb, we turning up, and it's gonna get bigger and better and better and bigger, nigga. No cap. Kincho, what's up, man? Don't you jump on me. Nala. What's up, girl? Come here. No, King. Nala, come here. Dang, boy, I been recording the house. They so pretty. Watch out. Get out me, bro. Move, for real. Watch out. Move, bro. But hey, y'all stay tuned. Kincho, close us out, man. Close us out, man. Man, the restaurant we went to first time being closed, the one that I actually wanted, so we finna get some Mexican.
Oh, this motherfucker closed at 10?
Yeah, man, we finna grab some Mexican. I don't know what I want for real. What's up, man? My fault, Dad. To go. Well, they got. Hey, man, I'm gonna get back with y'all after I look at this menu, man. Man, we found out what we wanted, man. So. But yeah, man, so I'm gonna get a Texas bowl instead of the shrimp. I can't eat shrimp. I'm allergic to it, I don't know. But I'm getting the chicken and steak and everything, man. So I'm probably gonna add a little bit. I'm gonna add a little extra meat, but I ain't gonna lie. No cap, I'm gonna add an extra. But yeah, man, he getting, let's do it right here, getting like steak, shrimp, chicken, extra steak, shrimp, chicken. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing that too, but I ain't getting no shrimp, man. Just, yeah. But y'all stay tuned, no cap, man. We going up for sure. Yeah. No cap, we're going up for sure. Yeah, man, that's their plate right there. Boy, I put them in that case on there, got them chips right there. You know what I'm saying? This nigga over there, he going to a little movie, y'all. Don't excuse the room, man. We still, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Everything all right with your flight?
Motherfucker, look. This shit called painkiller.
But yeah, man, that's it right there. I know y'all want some.
Number 2.
Yo, man, it's the next day, but hold on, man. Cause something look a little. Ain't no way my camera finna die already. Let me get this look. But yeah, man, it's the next day. Car still ain't fixed. Waiting on him to come. You know what I'm saying? He came yesterday. While I was in the house. So I didn't even know, you know what I'm saying? I didn't even know he came for real. But he came and, you feel me, took this off and unhooked the battery and all that stuff just to fix the alternator and stuff like that.
Let's get it, man. Let's get it. Hey, Carl, I feel like the biggest in the shit. Yeah, I'm the biggest.
Boy, I just got done cutting grass, boy. Just got done, nigga tired. Man, I got wiped out off. But boy, nigga is tired, but I ain't gonna lie. I'm tired, hot, sweaty, stank. Need to take me a bath. Let me show y'all what I did. I only did like a little, hold on. I only did a little bit, for real. Let me show y'all what your boy really be doing, you know what I'm saying? I really cut grass like that now. Really the goat now. Got my boy Kincho in the building with me. But I really think I started right here. Then I did all that little, you see the lines, you can see the lines a little bit. You can see them a little bit. Your boy really like that with the cutting, man. No cap, I did a little bit, cut through all that, woo. But hey, my camera died on the other scene before y'all see me cutting grass and all that, man. My camera died. I low-key forgot what I was saying. But he came and fixed my car and all that. He gonna come back out again tomorrow just to see if everything's still, you feel me? If everything good, everything. I'm finna crank it up right now to see if my light indicator's still coming on and all that, cause I had a little issue about that. They would keep coming on and all that, so I thought it was the alternator, and that's why I got my new alternator. But and I don't know, man. I pray and hope. I'ma let it sit here for a little minute. I ain't gonna lie, but that air feels so good. Oh, boy, y'all just don't know. I'm so tired, hot. I feel this shower gonna feel so good on my body. Lord, I'm itching, everything, boy. I don't know, y'all. It looked like the It look like it's going up, you know what I'm saying? You know where the heating in, where let you, oh dang, speaking too soon. That hold to drop down again, bro. So I'm thinking it's a I need a tune up, cause there's one thing I need too though. Another tune, I need a tune up, but y'all stay tuned, man, cause we're going to Carowinds Sunday. We're going to Carowinds Sunday, man. Y'all stay tuned. I'm finna hop in the shower, wash my body, get all this dirt and grass and sweat and all this filth off of a nigga. Y'all stay tuned, because the only way is up. MERRDA, we going up. So if y'all niggas wanna play, you get hit in the face, and I don't nobody care about nothing. You know what the deal is. You know where I be. And just to let y'all know, man, I got me a little something, you know what I'm saying? So if y'all want to see little joint videos with me and her together, man, y'all let me know. And yeah, man, y'all let me know some things, cause yeah. But I'm finna get right, take a shower and all that, get myself together. So y'all stay tuned, no cap. But I need some chapstick for them lips, oh, wait. Them things black, get nasty. Hey man, y'all stay tuned. I gotta get myself together.
Yeah, I'm the biggest. A young nigga really in the city, come and get with me. A young nigga really in the city, stack every penny. A young nigga really in the city, trying to get plenty. A young nigga really in